Hi friends, very good afternoon to everybody. And hi sir, how are you? Hope you are doing good. It's very hard to digest that Pranay sir is leaving Cygnus from today. As well, it, from one side, he is going to his great heights of his career and he is going for a better opportunity. We all wish him all the best, and saying regarding Pranay sir is how much we say, that is very less. His attitude, his honesty, his hard work, whatnot, everything deserves him a lot. When I joined as a DTP in Cygnus, at that time Ramesh was a HR and he was taking me to all the managers. And at that time everyone said me to join here and have a good days here and learn work very nice, and they have been just speaking like that. And the only one person has welcomed me with a single word, that welcome to the Cygnus family. That was very much impressing me, and the way really I impressed by that word, the personal relationship and his way of receiving me, I really like very much. And coming to the work point of view, lot many people will be asking me lot many doubts and everything. But coming to the Pranay sir, I can frankly say you that once he asked me one doubt, he will never ask me again. And not only that, almost all total work he used to do himself. Only the major things which I have to design, and regarding designing point of view, every keen point he used to observe lot many times, and only for the designing part of the brochures or catalogs he used to come to me. And in the work point of view, really is very great in the work oriented, and is very workaholic mind. And at lastly, we wish you all the best, sir. All your future, you'll be reaching lot of heights in your future, and also I have just charted out some images of you from the starting, and now I'll just switch over to a slideshow. And one more surprise is to you, that some of our colleagues who have gone from Cygnus also wants to share their wishes to you, and even they have given best wishes to you, that you will be seeing in forward.
Good morning, Pranay sir. This is Arpan from Gurgaon. I wish you, आपके बारे में जो बोलूं ये हो जाएगा कि सूरज को दिया दिखाने बराबर, लेकिन मैं अपनी कुछ फीलिंग्स आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. Because I have worked with you as a subordinate, I have not seen person like you in my career so far, because you are such a great person with a great potentialities and a caliber that who guides people, working with them in the right manner with the patience, and you are the person who used to set example for us how to work, how to do a research. We learned from scratch from you only. It is really a good learning experience working with you, and we wish you all the best and good future ahead. We also would, I remember one thing what you had said initially when I was there in the Cygnus: always aspire to achieve more. I still remember those lines, and those are the lines which are we using in our day-to-day life to learn something better and excel in our current corporate career. So we wish you heartiest wishes for you, sir. So that we also am looking forward to meet you because you are coming to Delhi. So thank you so much for the cooperation and break what you have given to me. To work with you. So I'm really privileged to work with you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. Rohit here. Uh, when I joined Cygnus, it was for me, it was very clear was there at the time when I gave interview. I felt it was really bad. But first time when I entered into the office and you gave a lot of support to me in the terms of like and you have supported me in the terms of learning how to treat with the clients, how we can be a professional in my life. You have given excellent contribution. I can say today, I'm at whatever be the position, your contribution is really good. I have seen in you, I learned a lot of things from you, like a great leadership quality from your side. Even though you are manager, but you have taught us how we can treat with the people, how we can be a professional in our life. It was a great achievement. Learning what we have got from you, we can never get it from anywhere else. The support what you have given for 2 years in Cygnus, it was really amazing. I can never forget it, and it will be always very close to my heart. Thank you.
Hi, everyone in the Cygnus. Good morning to you. I remember Pranay very nicely because when I joined in 2004, he was there with me, and we have been together for 6 years, long straight. And after that, when I left in June, I remember that day when Pranay was not there because of his occupation. He was not in Hyderabad. But I feel that when he's leaving today Cygnus, I must talk about Pranay, and that is what I am calling today to remember Pranay as a very good colleague and very, very nice gentleman. In fact, he has been very nice to me and all perhaps throughout his tenure in Cygnus, and I have been there with him. And for anything related to any work, he has always helped me to understand because when I was there, he was already old there for 2 years. So I hope that Cygnus could have been better if Pranay was there along with others to continue and spearhead that internship program. But anyway, Pranay is leaving, so on that day I feel that, even I would have been there physically, perhaps I would have talked to him. But anyway, at a distance location in Kolkata, I am wishing all the best to Pranay. But at the same time, I want to convey my sincere regards to Pranay for his contribution to for the development of this internship program. And perhaps it's a great achievement for him to start from the scratch and to attain that kind of height of success. And I hope that Cygnus will continue to grow further with all of you present there. So thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to talk about Pranay on his day when he's leaving Cygnus. Thank you very much.
Prashant, it's really a very good, work that, you have decided to do some special program on a time when Pranay is exiting. So if you tell me, then, I'll definitely say that Pranay is such a person for whom saying something is, will be always very less. He is always, much more than what you say. I worked with him for more than 5 years, I suppose. And
I found him that he's a really very knowledgeable person with good insight and understanding on different subjects. He's a person who has got a very high memory and can talk in different industries. He has got a very good understanding in the finance and financial modeling, all the subjects. And I will definitely say that he was always a motivator. I think he is still now a very good motivator for all the people who are working with him, as well as in other teams also. A very aggressive person and determined. And I think that he was and is always a pillar for Cygnus, and he has contributed to his best to the organization. So I wish him all the best for his new job. Thank you very much. And this is again, I say that this is a really good work, Prashant, and I appreciate your initiative in this area. Thank you.
It is very unfortunate that I'm physically not present in Hyderabad in this occasion to represent. Anyway, it's very memorable. I've worked almost 6 years with him. Every moment I've enjoyed. I've seen very few such energetic person, very honest, very dedicated, always used to think about Cygnus. I'll personally miss him and miss him a lot. However, this is a professional life. Everybody has to move on. I wish and I pray to God for an excellent career ahead of him, and I'm sure he'll do far better in his future endeavors. Thank you so much.